Scope on my Glock. Some guns all on the clock. Wap, 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 wap.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl KT, and I'm back with another video. So we're gonna hop straight into it. So I'm gonna be giving y'all a tutorial on how to make an aesthetically pleasing TikTok. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to Pinterest, and then you're gonna want to search aesthetic videos for edits. And then after you search, you're gonna just want to look around, and then you're gonna want to pick one that you like. I really like this one because, you know, the ocean, the sky, I mean, look at it. It has the colors I'm looking for. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to screen record your video. And so then after you're done screen recording your video, you're gonna want to go to Instagram. So you're gonna want to search quotes. So after you search quotes, you're just gonna want to scroll through and just pick one that looks good. I like this one. Keep scrolling till you find one. All right, bam, I like this one. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take a screenshot, and then you're gonna want to crop it. So you're gonna want to make sure that there's not too much space on the bottom, that there's not too much space on the top when you crop the quote. So then after you crop your quote, you're gonna want to head to InstaShot. So you're just gonna wanna get the app InstaShot. I definitely recommend it. It's really easy to use. So when you get the app, you're gonna wanna hit new video. So just hit new and then select on your video that you chose. So after you do that, all right, bam. So you got your video. So now that you got your video in place, now you're gonna wanna add your quote. So when you add your quote, you're gonna wanna hit sticker, and then you're gonna wanna choose from camera roll, and you're gonna wanna pick your quote. Should be the first screenshot that popped up. So now that you got your quote, you're gonna wanna center it on your screen. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can tilt it however you want. Once it's in place, you're gonna wanna put it all the way to the end of your video. So just stretch it as far as you can, and then make sure that it's also at the beginning of your video. So the next part that's really crucial to this is you're gonna wanna get the transparency right. So you can move it all the way down to make it completely transparent, or you can move it all the way back up so that it's just enough. So I like it right here. Now you're just gonna slide the playhead back and forth and just make sure that it looks good on the whole entire video. So now we're gonna wanna export our video into TikTok to see how our video looks. So when you export your video, there's gonna be a 30-second ad. So I'm just gonna skip that. So you're gonna wanna hit save, share, and that should export it to TikTok. So now you're gonna hit share to TikTok. So once you're in TikTok, this is what you're gonna wanna do. So where it says select cover, we're gonna wanna hit that to preview our video. So it looks good, you know, you got your quote and you see your little icon with the little K on it. You're gonna wanna make sure that your quote is never too big so that it doesn't overlap. So next we're just gonna wanna add our hashtag. So I'm gonna put hashtag for you page. And then another one that I like is hashtag viral. And another one that I really like is hashtag aesthetic. And we're just gonna, because this is a quote, we're gonna put hashtag quote. So after this, we're just gonna check it one more time to make sure that everything looks good. So we're gonna hit select cover, and we're gonna preview our video. All right, so there you have it.
Scope on my Glock. Some guns all on the clock. Wap, 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 wap.